In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and rearrange them in Canva. We'll keep this really simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to build multi-page designs and organize them in the order you want. This is especially helpful if you're working on things like presentations, workbooks, planners, or social media carousels. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and that you have your design open on the screen. You should see your main page in the center with the usual Canva tools around it. At the bottom of your design, you'll notice a page strip that shows a small preview of your current page. To add a new page, look for the small plus icon near that page preview area. It usually appears just below or to the side of your current page thumbnail, and it might say something like Add Page when you hover over it. Go ahead and click that plus sign. Canva will instantly create a new blank page directly after the one you were working on. If your first page already has content, don't worry, the new page will appear beneath it, ready for you to customize. You can repeat this as many times as you need. Every time you click the plus sign, another page is added to your project. This is how you build out a full sequence of slides or pages without leaving your current design. Now, once you've added a few pages, it's time to rearrange them to get everything in the right order. To do this more easily, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen for the grid view icon. This icon usually looks like a small grid or set of squares. Click on that, and Canva will switch to a layout that shows all of your pages as thumbnails on one screen. In grid view, you'll see a mini version of each page laid out in order. To rearrange them, simply click and hold on any page thumbnail, then drag it left or right, or up and down, depending on how they're arranged on your screen. As you drag, you'll see a highlight or a line indicating where the page will land. Release your mouse to drop it into its new position. Take a moment to review your sequence. If something feels out of place, just drag and drop again until everything flows the way you want. When you're happy with the order, you can exit grid view and continue editing, knowing your pages are now organized correctly.